Hello friends! Today I'm going to share with you one of the best and craziest projects of my life. Imagine if you could build a sailboat from just a whole tree trunk without any modern facilities. My goal is to build a dugout canoe or wooden boat with my own hands, just like the shipwrecked people of ancient times, and sail 1,500 kilometers on the Great Barrier Reef. Let me show you how I accomplished this impossible feat. When the truck loaded this huge pine tree trunk into my backyard, I realized how difficult the job was going to be. At first, I just used an axe and an old chisel and hammer to remove the top of the wood and the bark. My hands were blistering. Then, to speed up the work, I picked up a chainsaw. I started cutting out large blocks of wood and gradually started to make holes in the middle of the trunk to shape the hull of the boat. The most important thing in building a boat is to keep its two sides balanced. But I didn't want to use any modern inch tape or scale, so I measured the circumference of the boat using a bamboo ruler and thread in the indigenous way. The shape of the boat started to come out perfectly with my eye and this simple bamboo ruler. While working, I had a huge shock. I saw that small borer insects and larvae had built nests inside the wood. They were eating the wood. Since there were no chemicals in ancient times, I followed the primitive method and lit a fire inside the trunk. The fire not only killed the insects, but also hardened the wood from the inside. Another problem was the sun. The wood was drying out and cracking in the heat of the sun. To prevent this, I covered the entire boat with a large tarpaulin. I sprayed it with salt water from time to time to remove fungus and moss. My goal was to make everything on the boat the old-fashioned way. So instead of buying rope from the market, I made strong ropes by peeling the bark of a hibiscus tree. Then I collected canvas from an old ship in Sydney and sewed it with my own thick needle to make a huge sail for the boat. I used century-old copper nails to join the wood of the boat. And to seal small cracks and make the boat completely waterproof, I used a mixture of Australian native beeswax and resin as glue. My goal was to make everything on the boat the old-fashioned way. So instead of buying rope from the market, I made strong ropes by peeling the bark of a hibiscus tree. Then I collected canvas from an old ship in Sydney and sewed it with my own thick needle to make a huge sail for the boat. I used century-old copper nails to join the wood of the boat. And to seal small cracks and make the boat completely waterproof, I used a mixture of Australian native beeswax and resin as glue. After a year of hard work, hundreds of hours of toil and sweat, the day finally came. I took my self-built boat to the beach. As soon as I got into the water, it handled the waves perfectly. When the sails I had sewn with my own hands swelled in the sea breeze, it felt like all my hard work had been worth it. Friends, this project is proof that great things can be done without relying on modern equipment, just with willpower and hard work. Be sure to comment and let me know how you liked my crazy journey, and subscribe to the channel to watch the next episodes of my exciting 1,500 kilometer voyage. See you in the next video.